Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select notifications on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and then tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now scroll down till you find the notification section and click on it. As you can see, you have a bunch of options and categories that you can select the notifications of. So the first one is recommended music. So for example, you can select whether you would like to get notifications when there is a music found that you might like. You can select whether you would like to get a push notification or an email notification, so click on the relevant one. By going back, you can also select to get a notification when new tracks from your followed artists are released. You can also get notifications when a playlist is updated, or when there is a concert, when there is a new artist that you may like, or where then is or when there are new features and latest product updates are available on Spotify. You can also select to get notifications about news offers and about new episodes. Concerning podcasts, that you can select by tapping on the browse podcast icon. And then you can select a podcast that you would like to get reminders about. So basically, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.